Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. We are here with a new letter and its name is K. K. This is capital K and it is small k. And its sound is K. K, K, kite. You like kite? Yes. Look. Here is an animal. Which animal is this? This is kangaroo. Kangaroo. It is found in Australia. Look, we make tea in it. What is this? It is cattle. Cattle. Here is one more object. We use this for our lock. What is this? These are keys. Keys. Oh, what a beautiful eyes. Which animal is this? This is pet animal and we keep it in our homes. And it is kitten. Kitten. It is baby cat. I hope students you have learned the letter K and its sound K. We will come with the next letter. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Dear students, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon. Like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.